I'm just thinking, if you just got one, bro.
So this dude just got a citation yesterday, and then he gets pulled over now. Look, yep, they got him. They got him. He was going 67 in a 45. This is a bad little boy right here. It's a bad little boy. Oh my gosh.
You gotta send that shit through.
Oh my gosh.
That's crazy.
That Amish people.
You racist?
What? It's not a race. It's a culture. It's a belief.
Well, I believe that you should get the fuck out of here. It's randomly said Amish people, you know, out of context.
I saw them. I just saw them. I said
You know
it.
what I say when I see Amish people?
What do you say, Ethan?
I don't say nothing. I don't say anything.
Well, I mean, you don't see. It's not like you see them every day. So it's like when you see one, you're like, oh my gosh. It's like when you see a Bugatti, you'd be like, ah, Bugatti.
You're best saying if like white people never saw black people, just look up black people.
Nice ride.
I'll try the hottest shit.
Yeah, I think I might do it. I don't know.
Shit, I don't know. I'm gonna have to see what happens. If Cameron does it, I might do it.
Smells spicy in here.
He's probably not going to.
Yeah, I think I might do it.
Think you might do it?
Yeah.
Walk over here, sign the waiver.
Oh, there's a waiver. Wow.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know,
You got this, Cameron.
it ain't nothing hot. You got these cameras?
That sounds spicy.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Really?
It's not, no.
At all.
I tried it once.
Is it in the fine print it says it's actually spicy?
I have no clue, but he has to sign a waiver.
So wait, where? Just anywhere on here?
Yep. Gat.
And then he gets to do torture.
Yeah,
There's-
I need a new waiver.
Yeah, we need a new waiver.
Y'all mind if I film as well?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. All right.
So okay. Yeah, okay.
You doing it too? I mean, you set the camera.
Oh yeah, both at the same time. Absolutely. Fuck it.
We're recording today.
I'll remember the third forever because I got pulled over twice.
You want the chip? Don't do the spin. Do the chip.
Okay, yeah, definitely chips. I'll take the chip. I think
take the chip.
it sounds more promising.
Go ahead, grab the chip. We'll pour you guys some on there. Press down on it.
Ooh.
Now grab it, pull it up.
That's so fancy.
Ooh.
Oh, it just says
Y'all got water in here?
Nope.
Oh,
You got napkins though.
it's a weird marketing strategy.
Go ahead, set it down there. Let me give you guys a little bit here.
It don't even need. Okay. Oh fuck. Okay, let's go. Let's do
You
I'm
ready?
gonna set that.
Okay.
When you take it upside down, set
Upside
it
down.
straight to your tongue.
Okay, bet.
Man,
There you
y'all
go.
have to go.
You guys are gonna allow that 2 minutes to get all the way hot. It's gonna hang out for about 30 to 45 minutes.
Yo,
You guys just tried the spiciest pepper mash in the U.S. That right there.
2 minutes?
That right there is made with 7 pot chocolate.
7 million? 7 million Scoville?
Yeah,
Oh,
2
yeah.
minutes before it gets hot.
It's made with 7
It
pot
ain't hot
chocolate, Douglas, Scorpion, Carolina Reaper, Ghost Pepper, and capsaicin. 2 minutes to get hot, hangs out 30 to 45 minutes.
30 to 45, man. Y'all gotta have a fun
You
walk
guys,
around.
you're only halfway to halfway.
Oh fuck.
That's crazy.
You guys doing okay? I just ask that you guys do not try any of these right here.
I wouldn't recommend trying this one either.
I'll let you try just about anything. I'm good.
Did it one time, not again.
Hiccups, bro.
Those are the hiccups from hell right there.
It's only been 30 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
yeah. You guys aren't even at halfway yet.
30 seconds?
Dude, your eyes are bloodshot.
Oh my gosh.
Fuck no, bro.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
What's in that again?
7 pot chocolate Douglas, Scorpion, Carolina Reaper, Ghost Pepper, and capsaicin. Spiciest pepper mash in the U.S. of the age.
Yeah, and that's what I
Oh, yeah. They are not over-exaggerating either, I promise. They're not over-exaggerating.
Oh. I might have to drink this Germex. Oh my gosh.
It's gonna be bad when you use the bathroom, bro.
Oh my gosh. I appreciate y'all. We have to go get a drink.
On the shelf.
Oh my gosh.
Sugar, trust me, guys, sugar.
Ethan, let's
That shit down
go.
my throat, bro.
Ethan, let's go. Oh my gosh.
I'm about to throw the fuck up.
That is so hot. That is insane.
My fucking throat's on fire. Oh, it's just in my stomach.
No, that's insane.
People crazy.
Ain't that hot?
Yes, please. Oh my gosh. Where at? Oh my gosh.
My face is starting to feel numb.
Dude.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm
One to
good,
10.
but I'm gonna be 10. Past 10. That is when I tell you, like, I tried those hot, like the hottest wings at Buffalo Wild Wings. That was nothing. That was absolutely nothing. This right here, I wouldn't recommend to anybody.
Would you do it again?
Probably not. I don't know about that. Oh my gosh.
He said it gets, what, 30 minutes to kick in fully?
Well, he said about 2 minutes to kick in fully, but it could last like 30 minutes. Can we get some samples? I'll take the lemon over there.
Yeah.
All of it.
Yeah, let's. Yeah. Can I get that
Awesome,
vanilla?
thank you.
We just tried the hottest sauce.
Can I buy a single scoop?
My fucking base is vibrating, bro.
What did he say, 10 million Scoville units?
I stopped listening after the fuck it kicked in. Nah. He said, damn, I went to school with that dude.
He's like, yeah, he's bad off now.
You think the camera just walked out with us?
Might as well. Nah, I think you'd be chilling. He said, they went to school with me.
But just kidding, we actually are homeless. We are high.
Yeah, we just stole this camera.
That was 50 times worse than the beef jerky at Bucky's.
Oh, yeah. 100%. Yeah.
I still feel it, bro. You still feel it?
Yes, I still feel it. I'm telling you, like, what I imagined walking into it, I was like, okay, it's going to be hot. You know what I'm saying? It might compete with that jerky from Bucky's.
I almost
Absolutely
threw up,
not.
bro. I gagged.
I saw that. This dude was about slumped over. He bent over in the trash can. I saw him spitting in there. I was like, oh no. I feel it in my stomach. I feel it like in my stomach, for real. That thing was no joke.
Go do it again.
Hey, I'm
Yeah, you know how stupid like they would think we are if we walk back there. All right, we want another sample. Yo, it's in my stomach. I swear.
I put it in my stomach.
Wait, do what? That or scream again? Because I'll definitely scream again.
Sorry guys, he's high.
Let me go over here. I'm not with him.
We're his trip setter. Okay. Okay, Cameron. Cameron, chill.
I feel the pain in my chest. I'm dying. The pain in my chest. It's in my
If I go
stomach.
like 5 seconds without eating this ice cream.
I feel the pain.
Yeah.
Do you feel that? Do you feel that? It's in my stomach. Do you feel that? It's in my stomach.
Who's 21? I think
He is 21.
Come get a tasting on me, bro?
Do you feel that? Do you feel that? It's in my stomach. Oh, hey,
My stomach hurts.
Your
stomach hurt.
Yeah.
Alright guys, what is better than one edible? Two edibles. These are really all over you and I ain't got napkins so you'll be okay. Y'all chaser, we chase moonshine is fun. It'll have you lunching and a pungent. This is gonna take you right back to college, drinking double juice.
I haven't seen her.
Next is the first flavored moonshine Old Smoky ever made. It's a 70 all-American apple pie. She was a raging alcoholic white 60 cream salted caramel with.
Oh, here she comes again. Got shot the last one. She had no time.
You want some salted nuts. Or you're warming up, you want some salted chestnuts. We don't discriminate, y'all.
Good. Gucci bag.
Everybody go, ah. Everybody go, ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. Nice. Now this next deal is
Everyone's like, whoop.
well dark. It's in the map, voice for free. 64-pack cocktails. And a champagne bottle.
You didn't like that one?
You can roll your eyes to AA and style on this
salted
bad boy.
nuts.
And also doubles us up and chuck it up.
She said run out if you gotta throw up.
I'm
good.
Sure.
I'm telling you, make it.
Alright guys, last
Not a Sunday. What was the one before?
How would you rate this experience?
Okay.
I know he did because usually I swear it's a small ass little like drop. I've seen him finish it.
Yeah, there's not a specific section.
Stand beside it.
You look, there's no silverback.
Go do that.
Stupid ass orangutans. You look like a damn orangutan.
Make that stance. That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
For you. 'Cause I